I've never had such a delicious and creamy salad. To begin our recipe, we'll grate 1 carrot. Let's cut 1 onion, and half a cabbage. We'll move the ingredients to a bowl. And we'll cover them with water. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. In a bowl, we'll put 1 carton of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Let's mix everything. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Now let's drain the salad to remove all the water. Move it to a dish and pour the dressing. Now we just need to mix. At the end of the video, give me a grade from 1 to 10. And our delicious salad is ready! Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!